Check this game out, guys. They made a lot of like religious games. This one's more of like a Tetris sort of style. Box is pretty rare for this game. Label looks really nice, but the pins are so dirty that I can't even play it. This one just takes a Phillips head screwdriver, actually. This one has tabs on the top. I think I could use a little bit smaller of a screwdriver tip even. This side's come undone, but the middle is held. I don't know what it's held by though. It seems like it's like a screw underneath the label. I don't feel one though. I've never taken this game apart before, so not sure what it is that's holding it up. It's not on the edges. Huh. I really like to be able to do a full teardown, especially with how rare this game is, and there's a little shaky piece of plastic in there. Well, this is how I'm doing it. Can't sell it with shaky plastic, so it does look like there is a screw that goes through the center on these. Yeah, it's right there. You don't want to ruin it though. This game didn't play at all, so I had to take this circuit board out pretty much. See all the black dots on that? And just use a little bit of glass stovetop cleaner. You do want to be careful not to leave any of this behind. You want to wipe off all the leftover residue. Try not to wipe the green part of the circuit board. That's the solder mask. I've just heard that it can eat away at it. I've never had that happen though myself. I don't know how long it would take to do that, but just what I've heard. And you want to be able to actually hear the sound of the ripples, you know, in between each one of the pins. So you need to put a bit of pressure against the pins so that you can really buffer out any of those black dots. You want to eliminate all of them. If there's any of those left on there, it can glitch out a little bit. An eraser also works really well. pretty satisfying. Highly recommend one of these little alcohol dispensers. Makes life a lot easier. See the difference on that? See how there's still a little bit of a smudge there? Just use a dry Q-tip. Wipe off any of the rest of that. And there's no battery on this one, so nothing I need to test there. Nice and clean pins. Gotta make sure you do both sides of these or you can have glitches also. Let's see. So I guess you gotta bend this to pretty much get the circuit board back into it. Oh no. All right. I mean, if you put a hole in the label, you'd pretty much make the game worthless. So it's either you do what I just did there, or you just clean the pins off without taking it apart. It'd probably be the easier route to go. But if you absolutely have to take it apart, this is how I go about it. Hopefully I'm getting this back in here right. Trying to get the circuit board to line up is kind of tricky since I can't get into the game completely. Oh, come on. The struggle is real. That is not easy to line up. There it goes. Kind of try to nudge this. Oh, there we go. Got it back in. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Be sure to follow me.